Maybe you should fall, that's what rivers do. Cause when you're in love, you don't mind a different view. Things are looking up.
What's up, guys? It's Christy, coming right back at you. I've got my lovely manicure going, and today, I wanted to do a swipe, but I'm gonna have to grab some more pillow paint. Hold, please. Alright, so I got my pillow paint down. I need to pop some bubbles. Where's my skewer? Can't clean skewer, what the heck. Pop these bubbles. I don't want to die. Right. I'm gonna do a bloom on this one. No, I want to do a swipe. I really want to do a swipe. So I'm gonna spread this out. Oh. Almost quit paying attention there for a second. Alright, that's spread out enough for now. Get my handy dandy spatula. Where is my oven? Guess I'll wash this one off and use it. Oh, that plaque. So, let's lay down our colors. I want this one for my pop color. And so, we're going to put down some of this Porridge Posse Deep Lagoon Shimmer with phthalo blue in it. Nice, very pretty phthalo green. Alright, I'm dripping all over. We'll use this purple, which is Primary Elements Fairy Wings. Then I want this Interference Blue, or Reflex, no, it's Interference. And Color Shift Purple. I'm loving that color today. And this is that one that starts with a T, Extreme Sheen, Portoline, Pink or whatever. Go for some yeller. Who can't use yeller in their life? Primary Elements yeller. Not gonna have very much of that in there, are we? Come on. that's the end of that. In the bucket it goes. And then we're going to put some of this loud orange on top, which I think might be a little thick. Very thick. Where's my pen? That's definitely thick, even for this technique. This technique definitely, you do thick. Alright, so let's see what we can do with it. Alright, let's add some of it. I wonder if I use my white CA. No. I was thinking maybe pick up some of the orange or yellow and be a different color. Alright. Let's get the... want this in the middle. And I am not a pink person, but do you see all the pink and purple I've been doing all week? It's kind of hilarious. I know not everybody likes my blue. Alright, into the bucket with you. Let's get our spatula. And I guess our black cell activator. I'm almost out of that. I'm going to use white because I'm out of black almost. I need to mix some more. Alright. I take this. Amsterdam white paint and Australian Floetrol. And of course it's waterfall acrylics recipe. Here we go. Well, the yellow did pick up the white. I'm gonna do this again, because there should have been way more color than that. You watched me put it down. Watch me spread it too much again. I'm good at that. Alright, so what we got going? I don't like that. Got some cool green cells going here. I'll swipe it like that. This orange is intense. I have to have the color shift. I've probably lost all the reflex orange I had in there. That Chantilly lace. I'm going to put some of this interference green and interference blue, both by Amsterdam. Kinda want a blue now. Let's add a little gold. A little gold never hurt nothing. Alright, let's try this one more time. I messed that up. Darn it. One of these days I'm just going to put out a swipe and it's just going to be the most magnificent thing anybody's ever seen. I wish. I don't think I'm impressing anybody lately. Been pretty invisible lately. Just the way I feel. Oh, those are pretty. Why does the pretty stuff always have to happen on the edge? Oh no, not my jar. Lid. Alright. A little swiping in there. I see cell activator that's not into paint. Let's spread this out some. So when we take it down to the spinner, we can get it to cover all our sides. Let's see. Those are some big ol' honking green cells. Don't want to lose them all. Alright, enough playing. I'm spinning this. See you at the spinner. Alright, we're down here. Let's do this. I see a lot of sparkle. Come on, give me something good. Ooh. Yeah, I'm liking that. I am definitely liking that. And you won't believe the shimmer in this one. Oh, come on. Quit twisting. Trying to tilt here. Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this edge further off than that edge, so that it starts pulling that way. Here we go. Check that out. I'm super happy. This is gorgeous. Just beautiful. Next time you see me, I'll bring you down for a close-up. Alright, guys. Still in the spinner box. I haven't got a chance, but look at that yellow webbing with the gold. Look at that. If that ain't pretty, I don't know what is. Well, there's the reflex blue that you don't see until the light hits it right. I think this one had reflex green. I'm sure we'll find it if we look hard enough. No, I'm not seeing no green shimmer. That's orange and gold. Very pretty. Nice pop color. And always like, share, and subscribe. And leave me a comment. See ya. Bye.